Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from Mr. Martinez
Miss Tripto.
and your entire admin team. Today is Friday, October 11th, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. Please be seated. Happy birthday to Azendria Hayes in kinder, Flor Silva in first grade, and on Saturday, Jonathan Torres, fourth grade, Nazareth, Jared Cotto in fifth grade, Sunday, Nicholas Solis, fourth grade, Monday, Troy Maya in first grade, and Nevea Hernandez in fourth. If your birthday is today or this weekend, please stop by Miss Tripto's office to get your special birthday gift.
And the value and culture focus for today is Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Many of you took exams yesterday, and so today you may be reviewing or learning something brand new. Make sure you're owning your own learning. Also, idea 30, again, after dining in the cafeteria or elsewhere, be responsible for your trash. Again, we had some updates on how you guys are acting in the cafeteria. Make sure that when you're standing in line, you're standing on either the black line or the blue line and you're not touching the walls or touching your friends. Here are some announcements. So today's Friday, that means you'll have town hall. And if you lose your ID, make sure that you bring that $5 so that you may replace it so you don't have to go straight to the back of the line at lunch. Now, take time to look at your Friday uniform. It should look different from this picture, but make sure if you're wearing jeans that there are no rips, that you're wearing your regular comfortable shoes that you can be in PE with, and that you have a collared shirt on. And yesterday we only had a few scholars out, so that means we hit 98.22% attendance, which means we met our goal of 97.5. And that means first grade and fifth grade hit 100%. Really, really great work, first grade and fifth grade. Also, the attendance challenge is today. So we will pick some names if you've been here all week, and you will get to pick out prizes. We'll do that at the end of the day. So good luck. Also, next week, we don't have school on Monday. We have free shoes on Tuesday. That does not mean that you can wear flip-flops or slides or crazy boots or anything like that. It's comfortable shoes that you can still run around in, but they don't have to be black. And Wednesday is regular uniform, and then on Thursday, you have to wear your proper uniform bottoms and shoes, but you can wear a sports jersey. And then Friday, the teachers have school, but you guys don't have school. So enjoy your Monday and Friday off, but make sure you have to be there all 3 days to participate in free shoes and sports jerseys. And to get you super excited, we have another attendance challenge. So just for coming to school every day, you guys are going to be put in a raffle for a brand new bicycle. If you are here all 3 days next week and all 5 days the week after, so it's 8 days, that's it. And you will be entered to win a new bicycle. So just be here and good luck. All right, please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a fabulous Friday. Remember, the choice is yours. And Rattlers.
If no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you, and we always will.
Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call and dojo parents of the students that are out and text the ADA GroupMe. Have an amazing long weekend. I will see you on Tuesday in your free shoes.